Have you ever wondered why sometimes, after eating what seemed like a perfectly healthy meal, your energy drops or your mood shifts for no reason? You might think it's the ingredients, the portion size, or maybe even your digestion. But what if I told you it's not the food itself, it's the energy it carries? Yes, the energy, not just calories, not just nutrients, but vibrations, frequencies, emotions. Because food doesn't just feed your body, it carries stories, emotions, memories, and it transfers all of that into you. Imagine biting into a meal lovingly cooked by your grandmother. Even if it's the simplest rice and lentils, it feels like a hug, like comfort, like home. Now imagine the same dish, prepared by someone who's angry, rushed, stressed, maybe even resentful. Same ingredients, same recipe, totally different impact on your mind, your body, your life. This isn't imagination. This is ancient wisdom and modern truth. Today, you're going to learn something most people never even think about: how the energy of the person who cooks your food, and even the farmer who grew it, directly affects your health, your emotions, and even your manifestations. But more importantly, you'll discover how a simple ancient Hawaiian practice called Hooponopono can cleanse your food of all negative energy and turn every meal into medicine, into power, into pure light. By the end of this video, you won't just be eating, you'll be healing, you'll be transforming, you'll be awakening. Stay with me, because the next few minutes could change everything. This is a story that starts in the soil, where a farmer plants a seed, and along with the seed, he unconsciously plants his emotions, his worries, his hopes, his pain, his love, if there is any. That seed grows, absorbing sunlight, water, and the invisible energy of the farmer's thoughts, the way he feels about life, about money, about the crop, about himself. Every leaf, every fruit, every grain carries it all. Now fast forward to that food arriving at your kitchen or your favorite restaurant. The chef or your mother or your friend, or maybe you yourself, begins to cook it. And again, more emotions pour in. If the person cooking is frustrated, worried, anxious, irritated, even just feeling dull or disconnected, that vibration seeps into the food, because food is like water. It absorbs energy. It stores it. It holds on to it. When you finally eat that meal, you don't just absorb nutrients, you absorb the emotions, the energy, the frequency. This is why you might feel drained after eating a heavy meal, even though it had all the right ingredients. It's not just the physical weight, it's the emotional residue. But here's the beautiful part. There's a way to cleanse that energy. There's a way to purify every bite. And it starts with 4 simple phrases. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. These are the sacred words of Hooponopono. And they are more powerful than you can imagine. When said with intention, they carry the vibration of cleansing, of returning to zero, of restoring the divine blueprint. Now imagine cooking your next meal and silently repeating these words as you stir the soup, chop the vegetables, knead the dough. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. You're not just cooking, you're blessing, you're transforming. You are clearing not just your own emotions, but the emotions embedded in that food from the farmer, the distributor, the vendor, everyone who ever came in contact with it. And if you're the one eating, simply pause before your first bite. Look at your food with gratitude and repeat, "I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you." You'll feel the shift. It becomes a sacred act, a prayer, a ritual. Now here's where it gets deeper. In ancient Hawaiian culture, Hooponopono was a powerful method of reconciliation and forgiveness, not just between people but with life itself. It was used to cleanse trauma, heal families, and realign with divine flow. Modern science now confirms what ancient wisdom already knew, that energy is everything. Dr. Masaru Emoto's water experiments showed how thoughts and emotions change the structure of water. Loving words create beautiful crystals. Hatred distorts them. Now remember, most of your body is water, and most food contains water too. So when you speak loving words to your food, you are literally transforming its structure. You are realigning it with harmony. And that harmony enters you, nourishes you, heals you. This is not metaphor, this is vibration, this is frequency, this is reality. Let me share a story that will stay with you. There was a woman, a single mother, who worked 2 jobs to support her kids. She didn't have much time, and often she cooked in a hurry, frustrated, tired, exhausted. Her children, though well-fed, often felt irritable, restless, sleep was poor, emotions ran high. One day, after learning about energy transfer in food, she decided to experiment. Every time she cooked, she repeated Hooponopono. Even if she didn't feel calm, she repeated it anyway. "I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you." She said it to the rice, the lentils, the vegetables. She said it while stirring, while serving, while packing their lunch boxes. Within 2 weeks, something shifted. Her children were calmer, moods stabilized, fewer tantrums, better focus in school, even digestion improved. Nothing changed in the ingredients. Everything changed in the energy. Now you may wonder, can it really be that simple? Yes, because your intention is the most powerful ingredient in any recipe. Your vibration infuses everything you touch. This is the real law of attraction in action. You're not just thinking about what you want. You're embodying it. You're becoming the vibration of love, gratitude, forgiveness, and that transforms everything around you. Your food becomes a vehicle of alignment, a carrier of frequency, and it works both ways. Let's say someone else cooked the meal. You have no control over how they felt while cooking. You don't know what kind of energy it carries. But you do have the power to cleanse it. Just before you eat, hold the plate in your hands. Breathe deeply. Say the words with awareness. "I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you." Visualize a bright white light surrounding the food, cleansing it, blessing it, transforming it. You'll feel the difference. Your body will respond. Your heart will thank you. And over time, your life will shift. Because the person who eats purified food becomes purified too. Your thoughts clear. Your emotions stabilize. Your manifestations accelerate. You become more in tune with your body, your intuition, your divine purpose. You start to notice more synchronicities. You attract people who resonate with your elevated frequency. Your relationships improve. Your creativity blossoms. Your energy sustains longer. All because you transformed what seemed like a routine act into a sacred practice. Now imagine if every household did this, every mother, every chef, every farmer. Imagine a world where food is not just traded or consumed, but honored, blessed, loved. That's not just nutrition, that's evolution. We live in a time where distractions are many, where rushing is normal, where we eat without thinking, without feeling, without connecting. But now you know the secret. You hold the power to turn every meal into magic, every plate into prayer. And it starts with presence, with love, with Hooponopono. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Say it often, say it while cooking, while shopping, while eating, even while washing dishes. Every time you say it, you align yourself with the frequency of divine healing. Every time you say it, you cleanse not just your food, but your life. Your home becomes lighter, your mind becomes clearer, your heart becomes softer, and the people who eat your food feel it. They don't always know why, but they smile more, laugh more, heal faster. Because you're not just feeding their stomachs, you're feeding their souls. This is the power you hold. And the best part, you don't need a special tool, or a guru, or a ritual. You already have everything you need. Your voice, your intention, your love. Now use it the next time you stand in the kitchen or sit down for a meal. Remember this moment. Pause, breathe, and say the words that open the gateway to transformation. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Your food will feel it. Your body will reflect it. Your life will manifest it. Because when you eat with love, you live with love. And love is the highest frequency of all. Stay tuned, because in the next part of this series, we'll go even deeper into how your thoughts, while chewing, swallowing, and even digesting, affect your subconscious programming, and how to unlock the next level of manifestation just through mindful eating. But until then, let every meal remind you, you are sacred. Your energy is sacred, and everything you